Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, for your general energy, for your career, and for your love energy. This is for your general energy, Virgos. This is for your work situation, guys, and this is for your love energies, Virgos. And I'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, and we'll turn the cards as we proceed, guys. So for your daily energies, Virgos, Four of Cups. So Virgos, with this card, the energy is that some beginnings are coming your way, something is being offered to you, guys, something which you are passionate about, but you are not seeing that, you are not aware of that, you are deeply thinking about yourself and what you have lost. So you are not aware of what is there right in front of you. You may have your concerns, something deep, and you are lost in it. So that is the reason that you're not seeing this thing, that passionate beginning, some new beginning coming your way, guys, in your life. So you are lost in your thoughts and you are not aware of your situation, guys. What is the card for your career? Hermit. So again, it denotes some deep thinking. Maybe this may be regarding your work. Some things are not going right. That may be the reason that you are thinking within yourself, what is your next plan of action. So you are just isolating yourself in your thoughts. You are not aware of your surroundings, and you are trying to find the answers that you need to find. So that is what I see here. So something is stressing you, some situation in your work. So that may be the reason that you are thinking what you need to do hereafter. You are planning your next step very carefully with that deep thought. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? Five of Cups in reverse. Virgos, with this card, the energy is that you are getting some news, maybe something happy from this person, and you feel a great attraction towards them. You love their company. Maybe this person is helping you with their suggestions, counsel, something for your stress regarding your work situation. So that may be the reason that you love them, for their help or for their counsel. You just want to be there listening to them. So that is what I see here with this card, Virgos. Let us see what is your angel guidance message, guys. What is the card for you all? It's an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are there with us. They are guiding us, helping us in our day-to-day life. So the angel's message for you all, guys, is that we have to have that pure true love, that unconditional love for ourselves and for the people in our life, our friends, family, whoever it is. So when we do that, we make ourselves beautiful at a different level in our hearts. So we may see people struggling in their relationship, or we may be struggling in our relationship or this person. So we need to have that deep understanding, that unconditional love for them, trying to get an understanding without our selfishness blinding us, without our perceptions blinding us. So when we do that, when we have that love, that genuine feeling for them, we will heal that wounded relationship. So we need to find that compassion for that person, respect and caring for them. When we do that, we will have that sense of belonging, that sense of community in our relationship with the people who are there in our life, our family, friends, or this person. So we, in order to do that, first we need to love ourselves unconditionally. So we need to accept what are the positives we have and the negatives we have in life, and accept it as it is. When we do that, we will love ourselves unconditionally, and we can relate the same way to others, to the people in our life. So that is the angels guidance for you all, Virgos. Such a beautiful guidance message for you all, guys. You can use it as a happy intention every day, guys. And thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be doing daily readings, guys. I'll please stay tuned. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.